What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing PerfectAmino by BodyHealth. These are a brand of amino acids. I get the tablets. There's different types of tablets. They have non-coated tablets and then coated tablets, and then they also have different powders with their PerfectAmino amino acid blend in them. So today I'm going to share with you my experience with this brand. I learned about it from my doctor, and what I've learned in using it, I've experimented with a lot of their different products, their powders, and both the coated and non-coated capsules. I'm going to share with you what I recommend and what I don't recommend from this brand, and just simply share with you some information regarding amino acid and metabolizing proteins within the body. So when you consume protein, it's important to note that when your body consumes protein, it breaks it down into its simplest form, which is amino acids. When your body then has amino acids, it then rebuilds those amino acids back up to rebuild your body, your skin, your hair, your nails, muscle tissue, cartilage, and so much more. Your entire body needs protein in order to rebuild itself. And that's essentially, amino acids are essentially the building blocks of protein. Now, what's important to know what makes PerfectAmino different from BodyHealth compared to other amino acid supplements or other amino acid brands, or for example, BCAAs, which are known as branched chain amino acids, is that PerfectAmino is just the 9 essential amino acids. What that means is out of the 20 amino acids, 11 of which are non-essential and 9 are essential. The reason they're categorized in that way is because you could live without the 11 amino acids that are non-essential, but you cannot live without the 9 amino acids that are essential. So what that means is that you need to get those 9 essential amino acids, which by the way is the exact formula of PerfectAmino by BodyHealth, into your body through your diet or supplement routine or a combination of both. I like to use both because personally, I eat a lot of food, but sometimes I get full and I'm like, I'd rather just take some protein powders or amino acids in order to make up for giving my body more amino acids, and also to not have as much metabolic waste. What I mean by that is whenever you eat food, you have metabolic waste. This is what creates stool and bowel movements. And while that is okay, obviously you need to eat food and all these different types of things, sometimes it gets a little difficult if you want to gain weight. Say you want to gain 5, 10, 20, 30 pounds of muscle, it gets more challenging because you have to eat more and more food and you may not be acclimated to that. So for me personally, when I started using PerfectAmino amino acids by BodyHealth, I gained over the period of I think it was 3 or 4 months, about 20 pounds of muscle. Obviously I was going to the gym and I was lifting weights, but I really noticed that PerfectAmino, and this was 4 or 5 years ago, I really noticed that PerfectAmino really helped me to pack on muscle more quickly. And the reason for that is because it gives you the essential amino acids. So let me explain this to you. Those 9 essential amino acids are the building blocks for all 20 amino acids, including the 11 non-essential amino acids. So what that means is, like I said, you don't need the 11 non-essential amino acids, so you don't need to take branched chain amino acids. I wouldn't recommend BCAAs or branched chain amino acids to any of my clients for the very reason that some of those amino acids in BCAAs are non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids, those 9 are the 9 that you need. Those are essential for living, for survival. Additionally, if you have a deficiency in the 11 non-essential amino acids, those 9 essential amino acids, as long as you have a sufficiency or a surplus of those amino acids, what happens is they spill over and they become the building blocks for the 11 non-essential amino acids. So to understand the amino acid science, all you need to know is that the essential amino acids are what you want to get in your diet and in your supplement routine, and everything in the non-essential category is pretty much irrelevant. And unfortunately, a lot of protein powders and amino acid blends and things like that are a combination of both. So it's important to understand that you just need the essential amino acids. So that's why PerfectAmino, it says on it essential amino acids on the label, and it's by the company BodyHealth. I actually read the book that this doctor that formulated this product created, that he wrote, and I learned about the essential amino acids and the non-essential amino acids, how the essential amino acids are the building blocks for the non-essential amino acids. So my experience is this: with this brand, I personally don't take the powder, and there is any other powders. And there's nothing wrong with their powders. I like their powders, they taste great, but the reason for that is because a lot of them have sweeteners, and I take a lot of different supplements and a lot of them have sweeteners, and I don't need sweeteners in everything that I take. Additionally, I have found that the tablets, I get the non-coated tablets. I get the 300 non-coated tablet containers. I have 2 or 3 of these right now in my cabinet. I'm just holding 2 of them. I get these because the coating is, I don't know exactly what the coating is, it's some sort of glaze. And this is basically if you're just looking to buy amino acids without any other powders or any other sweeteners or any other additives, you're gonna get the most bang for your buck by getting the coated tablets, or excuse me, by getting the tablets in general. Whether they're coated or not is really up to you. I just prefer the non-coated. They're a little bit more chalky, like they kind of get a little chalky in your hand. Another thing that I do, like here I'm taking, there's 6 of them here. I'll literally just take them and chew them. And the reason that I chew them is because I want the saliva in my mouth. I want the enzymes in my mouth to break them down and help make them even more absorbable. So the important thing to note here is that you get 99% utilization of these amino acids. By the way, the highest amino acid utilization you get from food is eggs, and it's like 48%. So when you take these, there's 1 gram of, I believe it's 1 gram. Yeah, it's 1 gram, excuse me, 5 grams per 5 tablets. So it's 1 gram per tablet of amino acids. So I just took 6 grams of amino acids with 6 tablets, for example. So typically I'll take a bunch of these every day. I'll take them pre-workout, midday, nighttime, just to give my body more amino acids in their pre-digested form and just the essential amino acids to rebuild. And I just simply love them. They work really well. I recommend only the tablets, preferably the non-coated, just because once again, there's a glaze over the coated ones. And I avoid the powders because I don't want all the additional sweeteners. And I don't want to like waste money on sweeteners. I'd rather just get the exact amino acid formula that I need to build muscle. And I've also noticed my skin, my hair, my nails grow faster when I take these. So I really love this brand. It's an exceptional brand. It is vegan as well. So if you're vegan, you're totally good with these. With that being said, I do mix it up. I don't only take these amino acids. I take a protein powder from a brand called Lineage. And the reason I take this brand is because it has a bunch of organ meats. So it has 5 different organ meats: beef, heart, kidney, spleen, and pancreas. I'm not a vegan, if I haven't mentioned that. And the reason for that is because liver, heart, kidney, spleen, and pancreas, they benefit those organs. It's 20 grams of protein per scoop, which is a good amount. It also has colostrum in here, which is really, really, really good for your gut health. A bunch of organic fruit and berries, organic coconut water for electrolytes, and a little bit of sea salt. So the electrolytes for hydration from coconut water and sea salt, the berries for just antioxidants, the colostrum for improved absorption and improved gut health. All those organ meats, which by the way, liver, what I love about this is it has liver and heart in it. Heart is good for your cardiovascular system, obviously, which is good for your fitness levels and whatnot, but liver and kidney, which is both in here, are really important for your protein and fat metabolism. So if you want your protein and fat that you eat to go to the right places in your body, take those organ meats, pancreas for blood sugar, and spleen as well. So I mix it up. And the reason I mix it up is because I don't want to be too dependent on just amino acids, and I don't want to be too dependent on any individual thing. So I really love taking these tablets to just give my body more protein, more amino acids with less food. And then this, I'll just take a scoop of this, which 1 scoop is like essentially equivalent to 4 ounces of beef. So 1/4 pound, 1 scoop of this. Additionally, you get all those other things. So I will link both of these up below. I highly recommend the BodyHealth Amino Acids non-coated tablets. That's the best bang for your buck. If you chew them, more props to you. They don't taste that good, to be honest, but you're gonna absorb them better if you do that. And then this, I have a link to this as well. I think it's like 15 or 20% off. So I'll put that link right below in the description so you can get a discount on this. They also have really good protein bars with bone broth that are like 24, 22 grams per bar with bone broth, which is great for gut health. So this brand is exceptional for your organ meats and all your bioavailable vitamins and minerals, and just optimizing your organ function, which helps to metabolize fat and protein. And then to give your body just straight amino acids, you can't beat BodyHealth. I promise you. I've seen everything in the market. BodyHealth PerfectAmino is the best amino acids, and this is the best protein powder in my personal opinion. If you're looking to stay fit, healthy, active, and just give your body high levels of energy. So check out those brands below. If you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, check out the link healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section, and that will give you discounts on a bunch of different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach. So yeah, check out these links below. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.